This is the original 720p video, and this is the enhanced version. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to improve the clarity in CapCut and export it with a clean 4K style look. First, open CapCut Desktop and click Create Project. This example uses a 720p source video. On the right side of CapCut, open the Details section and click Modify. Set the resolution to Custom. Enter 3840 for the width and 2160 for the height. Next, match the frame rate to your original footage. This clip was recorded at 30 frames per second, so I'll select 30 frames per second. If your source was recorded at 60 frames per second, keep it at 60 frames per second. Then click Save. Now import your 720p video and drag it onto the timeline. Next, open the Adjustment section. Click Add to Track. Then extend the adjustment layer so it covers the full length of your video. With the adjustment layer selected, open the Basic tab. Now enter the adjustment values. Set saturation to +10. Set exposure to -2. Set contrast to +8. Set highlights to -5. Set shadows to +5. And set sharpen to +25. These are starting values, not strict rules. If your footage is very soft, you can increase sharpen gradually, up to around +35. If the colors still look weak, increase saturation up to around +12. If the bright areas are too strong, reduce highlights further, down to around -10. Be careful with sharpen. If you start seeing white outlines, halos around objects, harsh facial details, or extra compression noise, reduce the sharpen value. Once the adjustment looks good, click Save as preset. I'll name this preset 720p Clean 4K Base. Saving the preset lets you reuse these adjustment settings on future videos. Now select the actual video clip on the timeline. Open the Video tab, then open Basic. Turn on Enhance Quality. Choose UHD. This is the option used in this tutorial to enhance the 720p footage before the final 4K export. Next, turn on Reduce Image Noise and start with Weak. Is a good starting point because stronger noise reduction can remove fine details such as hair, skin texture, and small background details. Now we're ready to export. Click Export in the upper right corner. You can name the file 720p Clean 4K. Set the resolution to 3840 by 2160, which is 4K. Set bit rate to Custom. Then enter 40,000 kilobits per second. That is equal to 40 megabits per second. Choose VBR or variable bit rate. Set the codec to H.264. Set the format to MP4. Keep the frame rate matched to the source. For this video, that is 30 frames per second. Confirm that the color space is Rec.709 SDR. Then click Export, and that's the complete workflow. We started with 720p footage, applied a reusable adjustment preset, enhanced the video, reduced image noise, and exported it in a 4K file. It enhances the original 720p footage and gives you a higher resolution output that can look cleaner and sharper. Compare the final export with the original. If this tutorial helped, like the video and subscribe for more practical CapCut tutorials.